Hello, guys, and welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto. It's the Pip Launch here, and I hope you guys are doing incredible out there. Before we get into any content, I would love to do a quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice, so you must do your own market research. With that said, let's get into today's topic. Is it Dogecoin taking the next rally? That's what we want to know. Not sure if you are holding Dogecoin. Personally, not financial advice. I do have some Dogecoin and I'm expecting Doge to do really well. So we're going to have a look on the TA side and uh, also on the holding side of Dogecoin. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share because we are putting the effort here to deliver the best content for you. And it's a lot of things coming to Voice of Crypto. Make sure to join the Telegram and visit their website for more. Okay, all links down below. If you have a question, feel free to ask. Okay, you're welcome to ask anything you want at the chat. So let's move before to the Bitcoin price and see what's currently playing out. So, as I mentioned yesterday, I would place my stop loss here in case the price got rejected. So, that is exactly what happened. And right now, I am not in any trade because my stop loss was here and I'm looking forward to the next entry. If we go to 1 hour time frame, we can see the next entry very, very soon. Hold on a second. It's just the connection getting in there. Okay, so that's the 4 hourly time frame on a BTC price and 1 hour. So the new entry is about to happen as the other side is also crossing into the bullish side. So I will be longing a next position here, but make sure to do if you can afford to lose. If on the 4 hourly graph, if we hold this with a bullish sign before touching the 200 AMA, which is likely to happen sooner or later, the trade is always looking for the 200 AMA period. So I am looking for my next long on BTC to 80K. I am not expecting Bitcoin to go lower anytime, at least, for the next 2 weeks. The halving is coming, and at some point we are going to drop, but I don't feel like it's going to happen yet. So I could personally, not financial advice, but I could open a new long in the next 1 or 2 hours here if we hold nicely on the zone and break resistance. Once we break resistance, it's going to go skyrocketing. But on the Ethereum chart, I'm still on my trade on the Ethereum chart. The Ethereum, it is looking bullish though, even knowing that we have this kind of bearish divergence on the 4 hourly time frame RSI. But I am holding still Ethereum to 4K, and who knows if Ethereum is going to hit 5K shortly. So if you haven't entered any trade yet, just wait for a better momentum right here and you can long the next pump on ETH. I don't think that Ethereum is going to go lower. Again, maximum 200 AMA and then boom, once more to the upside. Dogecoin. Dogecoin seems to have a bearish divergence on the 4 hourly chart. Okay, but it's nothing crazy. So what I would do personally, if you're not longing since here, or if you're not holding, if you are holding, don't sell it. It's smart to wait for the bigger time frame and the all-time high. Okay, so somewhere around 0.18 would be a nice entry because it's likely to retest the 200 AMA and then to go up. If not, you can watch on the 1 hour time frame, which is on a bullish sign already, guys, on the 1 hour time frame. That's why it's always nice to confirm in both time frames. Okay, so 1 hour time frame, Dogecoin is looking pretty bullish and it might not go lower. Okay, so if you are interested to long, it is an an incredible opportunity, at least for 0.22, and could potentially long. Talking on a holding side of Dogecoin, on a daily time frame, it is a little bit bearish, but I don't think that is going to be bearish. I think it's likely to break even the resistance. Okay, so at least 22, 0.22 is what to expect next for Dogecoin. However, make sure to do your own TA and be careful if you are trading, make sure to have your stop loss to manage carefully and always exit with profit. As long as you learn how to place your stop loss to exit with profit, you're fine. So moving into CoinMarketCap, let's move into CoinMarketCap to see what is going on. The today cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is currently at 2.66 trillion, a 1.59% decrease over the last day. Fear and greedy index, it's literally at the same number, 79. So not much happening, which gives me more confidence. The Bitcoin halving is 10 days away, 6 hours and 54 minutes, 47 seconds to happen. So guys, this momentum, it's coming, all right? We are going to look closely to see what's going to happen. I'm personally not buying the rumors, selling the news. I'm going to stick with my TA. I will enjoy the volatility to make my profits personally, okay? Not financial advice, of course, but end of the day, all you want to do is enjoy the momentum because this is where the money comes in and out, and that's where we can play and make profits. And the latest news today on Cointelegraph is Bitcoin ETF see surprise 200 million outflow. Will the new 69K support hold? That's the question we want to know. The Bitcoin ETF set the tone for caution's BTC price performance this week, but traders stand by their upside targets. Bitcoin fell below 70K on April 9 as early excitement for the new weekly close faded. Bitcoin ETF struggled amid very slow day. Data from Cointelegraph Market Pro and TradingView showed the BTC price downside gathering momentum before the Wall Street open. The day's low of 79K.645 on Bitstamp represented a 4.3% drop versus the previous day local high, with worrying short-term sentiment to match. The week's first Wall Street trading session had broadly disappointed Bitcoin bulls. The United States Spot Bitcoin Exchange Trade Funds ETF took a little capital and combined with a 300 million outflow from the Gaviscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC. The day's net flows were heavily negative. According to data from sources, including the United Kingdom investment firm Farsight, net outflows totaled just over 200 million. Surprisingly, even though Bitcoin pumped up yesterday, the ETF flows were significant negative, one of the largest even days we had. Popular analyst Mark Cullen wrote in a response on Next. The two largest ETF, BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT and Fidelity Investment Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund FBTC, noteless avoided losses, maintaining a unbroken stake of inflows. And here is the data. If you like to see this very accurate data, just go to Farsight Investors and have a look on the inflows and outflows on a Bitcoin price. They play very, very accurate. Market participants had and expected net flows to improve after bankrupt crypto lender Genesis announced last week that it had to complete its own multi billion-dollar offloading of GBTC shares, which it would in turn used to buy BTC. Overall, a very slow day for the ETF flows considering the price action. Popular commentator Will Ponder wrote in part of this on follow-up analysis might be profit taking, although ETF usually are held for a long term. US tax day is the 15th. Don't know how much that might be a factor. Traders stick to the BTC price targets, considering short term BTC price action. Meanwhile, traders look for a sign of a reversal upward. Related, plotting the path to 80K, five things to know on Bitcoin this week. So if you are interested, just go ahead and have a look yourself. Trader Crypto ad, who began the week with 80K target and eyed 73,000 as the first port of the call upward continuation. Here is the tweet. BTC looking for a bounce, breakout, and move to mid 73s. Okay, so he's also bullish on a BTC price for this week. As we had this, the setting triangle is likely to break out as usual. Bitcoin successfully retests the 2021 cycle high, but bears are going for a second attempt of pushing prices lower. Fellow trader Jelly continued, referring to day's return to near 69K. Time to wait and see what today brings. Once price successfully holds above 71,400, new all-time high are next. A further post maintaining a breakout target of 82,000. Others were more cautious among the trader and chartist credible crypto retaining an existing theory that called for a fresh BTC price dip to 60K or lower. Coverage move up to the highs where we see now and covered the correction after I expected to follow. Nothing has changed, part of the next update stated. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading moves involve risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. So we have uh, multiple TAs here, and both since we could go all the way up and touch the upside and come back lower, or we could break even. That's something that we are going to see. Um, we could see, both things. As I mentioned, everything we want to do is to trade momentum, not on a holding side, really. We just want to trade momentum and make the most, regardless of what is actually happening on the market. Moving back to uh, coin market cap, let's see today's gainers and losers. Oh, we saw a change here today. The first one on the gainers is Dogecoin from Telegram. It's currently trading at 6.88, is up 17.56% on the past 24 hours. Nervous network, not familiar with, but it's currently up 13%. 0.06 and interesting, it's not even at $1 yet, so this one it might be an interesting one to catch the next bumps. Anna on a fourth place, Near is still here. Nana on a fourth place. I've seen a lot of people getting airdrop from this platform and network, so this one is a nice one to keep tracking as well. Currently trading at 1.26 and is up 8.67% on the past 24 hours. XRP seems to be moving 5% 0.38 on the past 24 hours, not even in a dollar. XRP I don't know what to say. Not holding personally, but I could change and hold. I don't know. Let's see how this is going to perform. Gala, it is an interesting one to have a look on, and is up 7.02% on the past 24 hours. Whatever. Phantom, it's up 4.82% on the past 24 hours. And yeah, I think today we're likely to see the tokens and altcoins and meme coins move more, as BTC is a kind of on a waiting side to take the next trade. So whatever, when Bitcoin is not doing much, everybody's trading altcoins and small coins. NAPE protocol 1% 0.23 up on the past 24 hours, currently at 7.55. Polygon, I am expecting Polygon to do better also. Cardano, 1%, so not much happening on these ones, but they could move hard, at least 10%, right? Optimism, which is a great networking fee to be sending whatever, it is an interesting one to have a look on as well. Polkadot, I'm expecting Polkadot to hit $20 shortly. I'm not sure if that's going to happen now or during the year, but at least $20 for Polkadot. Come on, it is currently at 0.24 up. Okay, and today top losers is the W. I think we mentioned this one yesterday, and it is probably going to pump soon, but for me, it is an interesting one to buy, really. It's down 11.74%, but I would like to buy, even lower, somewhere around 14 to 20%. But however, if you can hold and wait, these are great ones. Core, currently trading at 2.41 and is down 10.08%. OD is down 8.24% on the past 24 hours, currently trading at 70.96. Jupiter, Pepe, 6% down. Jupiter down 6.48%. Tia, dog with a hat. So those ones are interesting ones to be trading, guys, to the next one. Even Dogecoin is on a great buying zone. It's down 5.33%. Pando as well, as mentioned yesterday, it's probably moving already. So you just want to catch the down to the upside and the upside to the downside. So let's go to crypto bubbles to have a better look on the week and see what's actually happening. So here on the weekly at crypto bubbles, things are looking a little bit better. Today, I think the best one to pick is core. That is down 22%, 0.5. So it might be an interesting longing opportunity for us. Jupiter on a weekly, not on a daily. On a weekly is down 14.7%. That's what I like to be catching personally. Fitton is down 5%. APT suit 7%. However, from 7% to 20% is a nice one. But it's nice to see like one that I have on my portfolio playing out near protocol, and Tom is leading kind of Anna is leading on 112%, Audi 21.9%, and more. So I like to come to the weekly just to have a better look, but you can also go to the daily and do your own TA and see what works for you. W token, it's 12% down on a daily, core, and others. So, I like crypto bubbles because it is an interesting, fun way to have a look at these tokens. However, guys, I hope you are making a nice trade, and so far so good. Let's see what Bitcoin is going to do close to the halving. Don't forget to join our Telegram if you are interested on knowing everything that is happening in crypto, and is a lot of great things happening this year for cryptocurrency. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Visit voiceofcrypto.online for more, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.